बच्ची को कैसे दोगे यार, वो सवाल ही नहीं उसने किया। 6 counters in each bag, 3 red counters, 3 are equal to red and 2 are white and 1 is blue. Okay, there are 2 bags. This is bag number 1 and this is bag number 2. Okay, in each bag there are 2 counters. This one also got red is equal to 3, blue is white is equal to 2 and 1 is equal to blue. Okay, easy question. The complicated version of this question is manufactured by Mubeen. Mubeen has manufactured, I have manufactured an amazing question which I will see and give it to you as a gift. 1 counter is drawn for the first bag. Find the probability that's white. 1 counter is drawn for white. White is 2 out of first part. White is probability that it is white. 2 out of 6. Answer is 1 out of 3. Box. Easy. Part 2. 1 counter is drawn from each bag. Find the probability that it is not red. Not red. Not red means could be white and blue. 3 favorable. Okay, each bag. Bag number 1 and bag number 2. Bag number 1 and bag number 2. Bag number 1 not white. Probably that it is not white. And probably it is not red. Not red. Not red.
Second bag is drawn. Yes.
No, 1 count is drawn from the second bag. Okay, 1 count is drawn for the second bag. So we do not have to worry about anything. We just drawing 1 counter from the second bag. Find the probability that is not red. Not red means probability that it is not red. This is how you like the logic statement. Not red means white and blue. 3 out of 6. That's 1 out of 2. Answer. Third part.
Sir, shouldn't it be 2 out of 6?
Not red. How many not reds are there? White and blue. 3.
And, oh.
Not red. 3 out of 6. Okay? 3 out of 6. Total are 6. Bag number 2 bhi yahi hai. Okay? Not red. 3 out of 6. Only 1 bag is playing. We're playing only bag number 2. Third part. 1 counter is drawn from each bag. Find the probability that the 2 counters are both blue. Both blue. A part. Both blue. That means bag number 1, bag 1, blue, and bag 2, blue. This is what it means. Bag 1 blue, 1 out of 6, and bag 2 blue, 1 out of 6. 1 out of 36. Answer. The best part is calculation छोटी होती है. Part 3 का part B. Part 3 का part B. Each of a different color. Oh, each of a different color. 2 are drawn. Each must be of a different color. Now this is the funny part. Everybody stay with me. Bag number 2. 6 counters. 3 are red. 2 are white. And 1 is blue. Okay. Each of a different color. Bag 1. Red. Bag 2. Not red. Bag 1. White. Bag 2. And bag 2 not white. Bag then or bag 1 blue and bag 2 not blue. Not blue. Blue की spelling ही भूल गया Mubeen. BLUE. Not blue. Red की probability क्या आ गई? 3 out of. Let's solve this. 3 out of 6. And back to not white, not red. Not red is 3 out of 6. Or back one white. White is 2 out of 6. And back to not white. Back to not white. 4 out of 6. Not white. White is 2. Not white, 4 out of 6. Or bag one blue. Blue is 1 out of 6. And back to not blue, 5 out of 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, easy way of doing this is 9 out of 36 plus 8 out of 36 plus 5 out of 36. 9 and 8 is 17. 17 and 5 is 22. 22 out of 36. 11 out of 18. Congratulations. That's the answer. Take a picture of this. This is question number 10. Question number 10. And start attempting the questions. Start attempting the questions. The khair de sharbat de, pak pak de, tight tight de. Okay? Take a picture of this.
I have a question.
Yes, Anab.
Sir, in the dice example, we were doing the options, like the number of options we are getting. जिस तरह अगर उन्होंने both have one है, तो one का.
इसमें ये नहीं करते. इसमें selection है, simple selection. तुम्हारे सामने चीजें नजर आ रही, simple selection करो. Okay?
Okay.
देखो, remember one thing. I will solve 5 to 6 more probability questions in the next class. After that, you will start absorbing things. After that, you will cross over class 10th and 11th. Okay? Enough?
Okay, sir.
This is the most mature topic after mensuration. Mensuration जो है ना, areas, volumes, लोग समझते हैं आसान है. It's not easy. It's got some very different concepts in math. You see, I was been studying math since 1980. So since 1980, all that has been come in the past before that and till today. I have all the summaries of things that are possible. तो वो मैं miss नहीं करूँगा. I'll cover out, but it'll take time for you to mature up. Anita, I hope you liked it. Anita?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Anita, take a picture of this and then start attempting the questions. I've given you questions 1 से लेकर 31 तक. Okay? No 32. 32 and 31 दिए. थर्टी थ्री तक है. हाँ, 33 तक करने, 34 नहीं करने. Okay? Do it. Start attempting the questions. They are tough. आगे कौन गया ना probability से दोबारा? सीढ़ी सीढ़ी. S1 है ही टेढ़ा. जो ये समझता है S1 आसान है, गलत बोलता है. Okay. Now we're doing logs. Yeah, you can leave it, Rita. Thank you. Okay, now we're doing logs, everyone. We're doing logs today. Have you copied? Okay, I've got the board here. I'm going to clean it. Anybody wants to copy part 4 of question number 3? Take a picture. फिर मुझे बाद में आके नहीं बोला, sir, what the hell? Hi, Anushe. How are you?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Hero, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
अबे यार, I miss you in my classes यार. क्या है यार? बेवफा बच्चा है तू यार. अच्छा खासा अच्छा चल रहा. अम्मी को बगैर बता के आ जाएगा, अम्मी अब्बू को वैसे ही आ जाएगा उल्टा से. Okay.
I just said, did you do last class? I was absent. I'm sorry, but did you guys do the questions that you gave us?
Logs, yeah, logs. I give logs.
I couldn't understand 3 questions that you gave us. Question 5, 9, and 10.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll address them right now.
Thank you.
Relax. Yeah. मिटा दो. Copy करनी है, ये मिटा दो, वो भी मिटा दो. Okay, starting with P3 logs and AdMath logs. Today I'm going to take up go really fast.
Sir, should I leave?
Who wants to leave?
Anap, sir.
Yeah, go. Bye. Party, man.
Rafa, sir.
Stop kar do recording.